This video is a collaboration between GoldieBlox and Joanne. Hey guys, it's GoldieBlox. I'm doing a video a little bit different than normal. I just went shopping at Joanne for my crafting essentials. So I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. Let's do it. Let's get started. Crafting essentials. You always need felt. I've done so many like costumes and hats, like onesies. Check out those down below. You always need these. You think you don't, but you do. There's more hair. Oh, ma'am. They're small, so like you don't have to like waste a lot. So you don't feel bad about wasting felt. There's so much on my table right now. I'm gonna set this down real quick. Next up is fabric. I just love fun prints, and this is like, it's a dog puppy print with like rainbow tie-dye, cute stars, surprised unicorns, a really cool reading banana. So you never know when you're gonna need like a cool, fun, fresh fabric. It's always super helpful because it also like kind of starts jogging your creative juices. I don't know. Because I already want to make a pillow or like a throw blanket, you know? The next thing is little foam stickers or just things you can decorate with. I always have to customize like what I make. So like if it's like I'm making a glow jar, I'll put like a little G on it, or I'll put like a little flower. So if you're not going to Coachella, but you still want to like have fun and like feel the vibes, you can like craft Coachella like in your workshop, you know? Feathers. I don't think I've used a feather in any of my hacks, but I want to. They're just fun. I saw them and I was like, I think I need that in my life. They spice up anything. Make it spicy. A little seasoning, you know, on everything. You always need glue. I am a hot glue girl, but you know, when you're doing like actual crafts, sometimes it's like, you know, a good liquid glue is good. Candy melts. We love a good candy melt. Whenever you want to like spice up food, amazing. Like cake pops, you just dip it in there. Oh, it's purple. It's groundbreaking. And you can like decorate super easily. You can just pop them in the microwave and just like decorate to your heart's content. Candy melts. We got more crafting essentials. Okay, this is what my brain looks like. It's great. So here we have glitter. I love glitter, if you can't tell. Use for everything. Face, crafts, inner happiness, so love that. Glue sticks. This is just nice. You don't get it on your fingers. You just kind of like, and it's done. Some good glue. Popsicle sticks. You literally never know when you're gonna use these. This is like a paper towel. Like you never know when you're gonna use it, but like you use it a lot. A lot. Scissors. You just need scissors, just to cut stuff. Normally I use scissors to open packages, but now, okay. Be safe with scissors, hold them down. Just this big thing of fabric. I found it, and it's like the really satisfying one, where it like changes colors. So I bought it, and it's kind of like my favorite thing ever. It's like so satisfying. Like I literally can't get enough of it. It's like perfect. Just, if you're stressed out, this. I'm gonna put that down there.
And for the grand finale, the most essential crafting essential is, drumroll please. Drumroll. This is important. A hot glue gun. Oh gosh. Guys, I could not do a single hack without one of these. Hot glue is the save-all, be-all of crafting. If you need something fixed, hot glue. If you don't want to sew something, hot glue. If you buy anything from this haul, buy a hot glue gun.
That is it for today's haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys would put in your craft kit, because honestly, it's different for everybody. If you guys go to Joanne and do your own haul, post it on Instagram and tag @GoldieBlox, so I want to see it. That's it. GoldieBlox signing off.